Welcome to our exploration of boxing, a distinguished martial art celebrated for its extensive benefits to health, character, and physical form. Today, we delve into the transformative effects of daily boxing training on your body. From cardiovascular enhancements to improved body shape and mental resilience, boxing offers a plethora of advantages for both men and women at any level. Before we proceed, ensure you stay with us till the end of this video for an engaging and enlightening journey. Get ready to uncover how boxing can redefine your physical and mental well-being. Let's get it. Understanding boxing and its precautions. Boxing, while immensely beneficial, comes with its risks, akin to any contact sport. The potential for injuries, especially from repetitive impacts, necessitates cautious practice. Under the guidance of seasoned trainers and adhering to proper techniques and precautions, the risk of injury can significantly diminish. Emphasizing non-contact drills such as bag work over sparring can further minimize hazards, allowing practitioners to reap boxing's rewards safely. It's crucial to prioritize safety through attentive coaching, correct technique, and the use of protective gear. This foundational understanding sets the stage for exploring the myriad benefits boxing brings to its enthusiasts. Cardiovascular and respiratory enhancements. Boxing stands out for its cardiovascular merits. Engaging in a mix of anaerobic and aerobic exercises, boxers experience enhanced oxygenation, benefiting heart and lung function. Activities like running and skipping rope serve as potent cardio workouts, bolstering endurance and heart muscle efficiency. The dynamic nature of boxing ensures a comprehensive aerobic challenge, fortifying the cardiovascular system and elevating overall bodily endurance. This improvement in physical stamina translates to better performance in daily activities and other physical endeavors. Musculoskeletal system and physical appearance. Contrary to misconceptions, boxing can be a boon for the musculoskeletal system. It stimulates blood flow to muscles and joints, enhancing mobility and coordination. This activation not only supports joint health, but also sculpts the physique, as boxing involves the entire body and nearly all muscle groups. The result is a strengthened muscle corset and improved body tone, contributing to a more attractive physical appearance. Additionally, boxing's rigorous training promotes weight loss and muscle development, offering a holistic approach to physical fitness and shape enhancement. Psychological benefits and character development. Beyond physical gains, boxing serves as an effective form of psychotherapy. It teaches emotional control and provides an outlet for stress, fostering psychological resilience. The sport builds confidence, willpower, and emotional stability, crucial for confronting life's challenges. Moreover, boxing sharpens focus, quick thinking, and composure under pressure, valuable traits that extend beyond the ring. The discipline and routine inherent in boxing also enhance life's productivity and planning, proving its utility in personal development and daily living. Social benefits and accessibility. Boxing is more than just a sport, it's a community. It opens doors to new friendships and enriches social life by fostering interactions in a supportive environment. Suitable for all ages and beneficial for both genders, boxing adapts to individual capabilities and goals. Whether for self-defense, fitness, or as a productive hobby, boxing offers a structured yet flexible regimen that accommodates various lifestyles and fitness levels. This inclusivity underscores boxing's role in promoting a healthier, more active, and socially connected life. Boxing is a multifaceted sport with far-reaching benefits spanning physical health, mental well-being, character development, and social interaction. By incorporating boxing into your daily routine, you embark on a journey of comprehensive self-improvement. As we wrap up this insightful exploration, remember that the discipline, strength, and resilience cultivated through boxing can transform your life in profound ways. For more tips on enhancing your fitness and well-being, keep watching our channel. Together, let's build a stronger, more capable anatomy for a fulfilling and empowered life.